In this video, I want to show you how to connect your HP LaserJet Pro 3001 DW to your Mac computer. Could also be an iMac, an Mac Mini, no matter which model you have. So the first step is to actually connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. Let's go over here on this control panel. I'll show you how it's done, and then we'll go back on the Mac. You're going to go on the control panel of your printer, and the Wi-Fi button over here should not be blinking blue. If it's blinking blue, press on it once so it stops. Then we need to put your Wi-Fi router in WPS mode. Usually there is a button on the front or on the back that you need to press to enable this mode. Then on the printer, you're going to keep press this Wi-Fi button during 3 seconds until you get this icon, then release, wait, and now it will be trying to connect to your Wi-Fi router that is in WPS mode. Usually this mode only lasts 30 seconds, 1 minute, so you need to be quick. If you see that after 30 seconds nothing is happening, the button is still blinking, go back to your Wi-Fi router and click again on the WPS button. It has probably just exited that mode. At the end, the Wi-Fi button should not be blinking anymore. It should stay blue. This simply means that the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Once this is done, you're going to go on your Mac computer and click the Apple logo on the top left corner. Then you're going to select System Settings. In System Settings, you're going to go on the left side and go all the way down in this menu until you see Printers and Scanners. Click on it, and then on the right side, go all the way down and select Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. This window will open, and you should be able to see your HP LaserJet Pro 3001. Click on it and make sure it's selected in blue. Then you need to click on the Add button. You don't have to download any driver, anything. Everything is done everything is done automatically. All right, this is about it. Now you simply have to open any files you wish to print. Let's say I want to print this PDF file. I just open. I'll click on File, select Print. Make sure that under Printer here you select the right one. So I'll select my HP LaserJet. There's a few details you can change, including the paper size, but one important one that I found that not many people know about is the media and quality. Tap here, and under quality, if you want the best results, you're going to select best, and then press print once you're ready. Usually this printer is quite quick. And here we go. We got our result out in not even 5 seconds. That's pretty amazing. So this is it. This is how you connect your Mac computer to your HP LaserJet Pro 3001 DW. If you found this video helpful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some paper for your printer, maybe even a new toner ink cartridge. Every time you go through my Amazon links to purchase any printer related stuff, I get a small commission and it helps my channel. See you in the next video.